Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is third video in the series of Microsoft Fabric. In today's video, we are diving into the process of setting up the Fabric Workspace. Whether you are organizing for different departments or managing clients, setting up a workspace is a first step. So let's get started. Before we dive into creating the workspace, make sure you have watched the previous videos of this series. If not, then please go and watch. Let's take a moment to understand what is a fabric workspace and why it is essential. Imagine your organization as a house. Each department or client is a separate room with its own specific function and purpose. Fabric workspace acts as these rooms, providing dedicated spaces for each team or project to thrive without overlapping or interference. So basically, workspace is a space which is organized in a way to make sure that all the stuffs of this Microsoft Fabric experience stores in. So let's jump on to creating the workspace. To create a workspace, you need to go to any experience. Let's go to Power BI. Here you can see on the left hand side different options, workspace as well. You can see the default My Workspace is already there, but we need to have another dedicated workspace for our users. So let's create new workspace. Click on it, give it a name. So this name is available. Name should be unique. You can add any description. You can upload an image to the workspace. The most important thing is to go to Advanced tab and make sure you have chosen the trial option over here. Click on apply. So you can see the workspace has been created. You can click on new and see the options. Click on the more options. So you can see various items over here. Data activator, data engineering. These all are the experiences and the items. We can create lakehouse. We can create notebook, environment. We can also create data flow generation too, pipeline. So all this will be created in the coming lecture. And there you have it. We have successfully created and customized a Fabric workspace. So if you found the tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more tech insights and tutorial. Share your thoughts or questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching. See you all in the next video.